We're halfway, number 9. We've been getting 9, 10, 11% in sections. Down to the 34.27. Feels very good. Nice and smooth. And still no back pain, yay. Passo San Boldo. You see the tunnels? We're going to zigzag across. The switchbacks are in the tunnels. Here come the others. No, there's some other riders, yeah. Oh, wow. Number 7. There it is. Bloody hell. Red light. We're going to stop here. Yeah. We're going to go through all these tunnels now. It's one way. Andiamo. We've got bend number 6, so they're not going yet. So I'm off. We've done 500 meters of climbing in 16 Ks, so not bad. Freaking hell. Bloody hell, going like round and round in circles in here. It's incredible. Well, that's the first one. See, we come out now and we go virtually straight into the next. We've got a Hungarian rider here with a creaky trek. He needs a bottom bracket fix, maybe. You can hear him coming a mile away. And we'll be through this pretty quick. We're going up there, see? Incredible, huh? Hey, Frank? Better than Gamaranka. Naturally, the GPS not working in the tunnel. Oh, feeling that in the hip. Wow. What the hell? Just having to get a car. Phew. Oh. And number 1, last one. Phew, that's lucky. There we are, the top. Boy, I've got to wait for Giorgio now. Here we are, the Laris bar, where we normally stop, and I'm switching off and going back for Giorgio. Giorgio coming up here. That's what we've been up. The GPS wasn't working, but I went up something like 100 meters in the last 300-400 meters. So yeah, it's pretty, feeling a bit dizzy actually, or a bit nauseous I should say. Freaking vertigo. Why did I have to get it? GPS is gone. Hang on, it's come back. It's not showing gradient at all. We're stopping here now. Oh, vertigine. Okay, we're now in the Osteria La Muda. Giorgio, scusa, ma La Muda è chi è? La Muda?
La mutua l'ho letto una volta, il termine era una domanda. Cambio di cavalli. Cambio di cavalli. Cambio di cavalli.
Oh, okay, I understand now. This is the Osteria where they used to change over their horses in the early days in terms of transport. Very rustic. There's Evil at the bar. And I'm just going to... That's the Bestia della Brenta. Scemo.
Cambio cavalli.
Scemo cavalli. Cambio cavalli.
Cambio cavalli, sì.
Vai via. And Ivo, c'è le luci qui. Beautiful. Oh, guarda. Molto rustico. Very rustic, eh? Really nice.
Lo senti il profumo?
Sì, sì, beautiful odor. Si mangia bene qui, fiol.
Si mangia da Dio.
Si mangia Andrio.
Da Dio.
Oh, si mangia da Dio. Sì, fiol.
No, ma fermati, basta.
Fiol, fiol. You guys, you eat here with the gods, or it's heavenly eating. Very, very nice.